Hello, Reagan here. Okay, so this is Vlogtober day 6. This was recorded on day 6. It's my day 7. I'm doing my editing. If you happen to notice, I just got yesterday's uploaded this morning. The one that was due yesterday this morning, just because I've been all over the place, scatterbrained. This sleep thing's kind of messing with me, but I'll be fine. Like I'm kind of working it out. If I basically go to bed about 12 hours before I'm supposed to wake up, then I just have to wake up in the middle of that time and take my mom to work. I don't know. I've got like something's got to go. It's just causing me mental grief. I don't know. Anyway, but all that aside, I have fallen down the rabbit hole of Bentley House Minis. I absolutely love Bentley House Minis. If you haven't been over there, please check out her channel. She does amazing things. I got hooked watching her work on the Addams Family house that she did, and absolutely love everything she does. These were some things that she uploaded a few years ago, maybe like 2020 or so, 2018, 2020. But she did all of these cardboard furniture pieces. And what I'm doing is I downloaded those and print them out, and I'm actually going in and the parts that I can replace with wood I am, and then the parts that that work out better being cardboard, I'm leaving cardboard. And I don't have like any footage of it here, but I did start a bed that was also part of this set. Basically what I'm doing is trying to get something made to go in my dollhouse. I really want to work my dollhouse, I've mentioned before. If nothing else, just to have like placeholders, even though I really like this stuff. So my first attempts might not be what I go with like for permanent furniture or like long-term furniture, but it's definitely a good start. And these are like there's no reason to reinvent the wheel, you know what I'm saying? Like her patterns are amazing, really easy to follow. It's nice to be able to go in, watch her make it, and follow along the video. It's very cohesive and very well done, and absolutely amazing. So that's all that I did yesterday, was get my stuff together for that. And like I said, I did a couple days ago, I started the bed, and I've got it mostly done. I'll probably go back and I'm thinking about making another bed using that template, but just like a different style of bed, but just use like the bases. It's really nice because the measurements are there for 1/12 scale. So even if I don't use the exact pattern or whatever, it gives me an idea of what my like size range is, and that really helps a lot. But yeah, like I said, I just want to get something uploaded for Vlogtober day 6, and I will go ahead and hop off of here and see you again tomorrow, which I actually am for sure going to get my Halloween tree, like at least a garland to put on it, and make some materials for it, because the month is flying by. I can't believe it's already this far into October. And once again, thank you to my Patreon patrons and the supporters of this channel. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.